Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the ice cream beauty box for November 2025. Okay, and this came a little late, but it is still technically November when I am filming this. So we have this box. It is a monthly subscription box that is exclusively indie brand makeup. So we have this box. They send it. It is $29.99 a month, I believe, and it comes with a little card with everything in it. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in it, and yeah, you always get a palette. They also have the, this is the box, but they also have the beauty bag. The beauty bag. This week it is holiday prep. This month it is holiday prep is the theme. So I'm going to take everything out and we are going to do some swatches and stuff, and we're going to see what we have got. So we're going to not start with the palette, but we're going to do, let's see, we've got a boba blush from ZC Cosmetics, and give me a second while I get this open. Okay, so the outer packaging looks like this. Got a little boba blush. So ZC Cosmetics, they are really good. They have a lot of good stuff in their cosmetics, and it looks really, really cute. That is what it looks like, a little boba blush. And this is what it, man, I wish my, that is what it looks like right there. And it is a nice pinky blush. They have really, really cute cosmetics. And that is it right there. So let's see what it says about it. It says a silky buildable blush that leaves cheeks looking sweet and naturally flush, inspired by bubbly boba drinks. It gives your skin the cutest pop of color and is perfect for on-the-go beauty. It is retailing for $18. So $18 for this tiny little blush. Okay, what do we got next? Oh, we got something from the Trapped collection by Gourmand Girls, retailing for $18. This is the Trapped collection lip gloss by Gourmand Girls, and it is in the shade, oh, what does it say? High shine, smooth, and ultra comfortable. This gloss delivers juicy color with a glossy finish. Wear it alone or over lipstick for a luscious trapped and glam look. This gloss is not sticky at all and has the perfect amount of color payoff. Gourmand Girls glosses are absolutely incredible and holiday worthy. Okay, so that is the color here. What is this shade called? Sundew. Okay, so we have this shade here, and it has the little monster on there, the little Venus flytrap. Okay. Okay, so that is what the swatch looks like. Let's try some of this on my lips. And see if it's non-sticky. Oh, it does feel nice. It does feel nice. It does feel really nice. I'm going to keep it up here where I keep my lip glosses. That is a nice feeling lip gloss. It is definitely not sticky at all. Just like it says, at all. Okay, what do we got next? For $14, we have the Bratz liner set by Beauty Creations for $14. Beauty Creations. Okay, so we got ColourPop, we've got Glam Light, and now Beauty Creations also collabed with Bratz. Okay, we've got a cute outer packaging here where you can keep your liners. These are channel your inner Bratz doll with this bold liner duo, smooth, pigmented, and perfectly snatched wings, fierce flicks, and expressive doll-like glam. The white liner can be used to make eyes look bigger, more awake, and brighter, whereas the black liner can be used to get that dark feminine look that is currently trending. Okay. Okay, they open from this end. They open from this end. Okay. Okay, good. They are like a gel liner. That is what I need. That is definitely what I need. So there is the black liner. They are twist up. You open them from this end. So we have the black liner. And then we have the white liner here, which doesn't look that pigmented, if I'm going to be honest with you. But that is nice. And those were for $14. Put them with my liners there. And then we have the waterproof mascara from ZC. I went ahead and opened this for $22. It says long-lasting, smudge-proof, and totally long-lasting, smudge-proof, and totally waterproof. This mascara lifts and defines every lash, perfect for all-day wear. No flakes, no smears, just flawless volume. No look is complete without this, without the lashes. Okay, so that's a pretty cute component there. So all-day waterproof curl and lengthen mascara from ZC. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it is kind of a hourglass looking wand there. So that is nice. That is nice. We've got that there. So we can try that out. We could try that out in another video. I'm collecting a lot of mascaras over here right now. Okay, so that was $22. So the palette we are getting is called Le Petit Maison palette by Gourmand Girls for $40. I've not seen this palette. I'm thinking it is a new palette. So that is really cute. It makes me think of the Secret Grove palette. Is that what it was? Okay. Then we have this, and it's got some little hats on top. Okay, and take that off. Okay, this looks like this. That is really cute. That is really cute. Making me think of fall time. Not really holiday prep, but it is making me think of fall time. So let's go ahead and swatch these out. Let's go ahead and do Chandelier. Wait, this reminds me of that Poppy and Fluff palette a little bit. Chandelier, Garden Gate, Candlelight, and Velour Chair. So we're going to swatch out this palette here. Ooh, that is nice. So we've got Chandelier, Garden Gate, Candlelight, and Velour Chair right there. Okay, so this is just a 12-pan palette. We've got Attic Secrets, we've got Amber Heart, we've got Terracotta Tiles, and Olive Grove. Oh, that's a nice shade. So we've got Attic Secrets, Amber Heart, Terracotta Tiles, and Olive Grove right there. so far a pretty good palette. And then we're swatching the bottom row. We've got Conservatory, Walnut Wood, Verdigris, and Cellar Door. So, ooh, I like that. Ooh, I like that too. And of course, we've got the dark color, which I always prefer in my palette. So, Conservatory, Walnut Wood, Verdigris, and Cellar Door. So this is the palette right here. We've got on my arm here. And yeah, let me know what you think of this palette. And if you are excited to get a Gourmand Girls palette in your box. So this is from Gourmand Girls. It is called Le Petit Maison. And yeah, that is retailing for $40. So let me know what you think of everything in this box. I think it is a nice cohesive box. Actually, I don't think that the that's kind of a warm palette. I don't think that the blush really goes with this palette. I do think the lip gloss will go with this palette. Yeah, the lip gloss should go with this palette, but I don't really think that the blush really matches with this palette. But yeah, everything else goes with it. So let me know your thoughts and everything on this box, and what you think of everything. Did you get this box? Are you getting this box? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Please leave me a comment. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please share your thoughts and opinions, like I said, in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm sending you out all of those good vibes, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.